Phil had been involved in a collision with a car. It was a beautiful summer evening, and like many motorcyclists, he just went out for a run. He was out with a friend, experienced motorcyclist, and a car pulled out of a car park. Phil didn't stand a chance.
Taken into Aberdeen Royal Infirmary, and I found out X-rays that I broke my back.
What was really concerning Phil was, how was his back injury going to affect him at work? Phil was an employer. He employed an apprentice.
I'm self-employed. It's very important for me to work, not only for myself, my family. It was things like bending and lifting, and finding it pretty hard.
The likely outcome for the back injury was it's not going to get any better, and unfortunately through age it would probably get worse. What we had to do is we had to factor that into the compensation award. We had to ensure that Phil was awarded a claim for what's called future wage loss. Now, we could only really get a true indication of that if you understood what Phil had to do on a day-to-day basis.
I felt comfortable speaking to Brenda rather than speaking to the previous solicitors, which I never met.
And I remember going up and seeing him at his workplace, asking him what he did, so that I could get an understanding of, what was required of him. We got him lifting equipment as part of the settlement package, and I hope he's still using it.
Bought a new lift for lifting vehicles and making it easier rather than bending. The compensation, I wasn't really worried about the compensation, the money-wise of it, but it was more getting back to work. I still got quite a heavy working load. There's a busy garage. I can do most of the things.
The monetary award gives them an element of financial security, and having that element of financial security helps Phil to pay the mortgage, to pay the bills, and to have, security over his future despite the injury.
I mean, the benefit I got was dealing with Brenda in a professional way, a nice manner, a nice person, and she does it good.